D to the I to the N E O. Dineo.
Hello everyone, my name is Dineo and thank you for tuning in. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I achieved a twist out on old mini twists that I did on the previous tutorial. So, if you want to know how I achieved this, keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Oh, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you always stay notified when I release a new video. Ciao! You'll need some ribbons, Afro Pick, and some hair food. First off, I'm going to start by tying my hair into sections. Tying your hair into sections will make it easier to undo. I tied my hair into 7 sections. Before the takedown, apply some hair food. Work the hair food into one section at a time. Then begin to untwist. So, untwisting my hair was surprisingly easy. I was nervous that they would have begun to lock, seeing that I had them in for 2 weeks, and also considering how thin they were. Untwist your hair in the opposite direction that you twisted it. If done correctly, your hair will separate on its own. Make sure to be gentle while doing this. We are not trying to snag our hair, and we are not trying to ruin the definition. After the untwisting, I add some volume by picking my roots. What time is it? It's latum edges time. And there you have it, how to achieve a twist out from old mini twists. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, then do best and support your girl. Lastly, don't forget to like, comment and share. Ciao!